Hello traders. Good evening to all, and welcome back to our channel, the Forex Trends. Through this channel, we teach you how to trade consistently, profitably. All right, let's start the analysis of GbpUsd as well as the dollar index for next week. I will also look some possible trades setups for the next week in GbpUsd with correlated with dollar index. Before we start the analysis, I would like to tell you, as I always says, please do not take this program as a signal service. It is not any signal service. This is purely educational purpose, and I also recommend you to all to take trades on demo account for practice purpose. Whenever you get the confident up to that level, most welcome to the live market and trade according. Okay, let's look the fundamental before jump into the chart of GbpUSD. As we know, last week, the US inflation data was released. This all the inflation related data of US. According to the data, inflation in the USA is cooling slightly, but it is still far from their target range. Therefore, the current market sentiment suggests that there might be a rate cut in September and onwards. That's why we might see some weakness in dollar in near future. But in my opinion, high interest rates will persist for a long. And I can tell this because I had listened the uh, statement of Fed Chair Mr. Jerome Powell. Okay, and if we look at the news for the next week, let me show you the calendar of next week. Sorry, this is the chart of upcoming weeks. Upcoming weeks economic calendar. If we look at the news for the upcoming weeks, there is not much significant except FOMC meeting minutes on Wednesday at around 11:30 p.m. IST. Okay. After that, there is some flash manufacturing PMI, flash service PMI, unemployment claims. This news might provide some volatility on GBP USD or USD major pairs. All right, let's look the chart and I will try to find the levels for next week's. This is a day chart of GBP USD. Before analyze the chart of GBP USD, let me show you the chart of dollar index. This is the day chart of dollar index. As I told in my previous video, dollar is still bullish in structural level. If we mark the structure, this is the structure of dollar, continue creating higher high and higher lows. Whenever market create higher high and higher lows, we know there is a true position to join the current trend. And in GbpUsd, sorry, DXY, this is the first position where market need to take support, and this is the last and second position where market need to take support, and this is the last resort of support, that is 104 point at around 104. And look market how nicely it takes support at this level and continue going up. If we find, sorry, if we found the market goes up and test this level and give us some evidence of selling, then price may once again come to this level and then go it up again. If the price break this level like this, that means with consecutive bearish candles, that means with momentum candles, and retest and go down, we will bearish on dollar for long term in that case. Okay, because this, as I told, this is the last support of gold. This is the last support of DXY. Okay, as per the structure of DXY, we are bullish on DXY, and hopefully the price will go up to this level. If we correlated with GbpUsd, that means GbpUsd may show some selling. Let me show you the GbpUsd chart. This is all analysis of DXY. In GbpUsd, a day chart, it is bearish in structural level. This is the structure of GbpUsd, and it is the last resistance of GbpUsd. And in my previous video, I think I had told you to initiate a sell position if we find the price here. Actually, I had initiate a sell here. If you want to check, let me show you. Okay, this is the GBP. I have already opened a position of sale here in previous week. The sale position. Let's see what will happen. If you do not take, then no problem. If you find the price again at this level, initiate a sell with the SL of 20 pips. That is, if you find the price at 1.2710 level, we will initiate a sell with the SL of 1.2730. This is the first setup of GBpUsd. And if price come down to this level, if price come down to this level, we may initiate a buying, as the retracement of this level is still pending. It may give us some 50 to 60 pips from this level with the SL of 20 to 20 pips. If we check the structure in 4 hour, GBpUsd is bullish, but now it is approaching the last resistance of 4 hour frame. That's why we may get some retracement from this level. From this level, this is our first setup, and this is our second setup to initiate buy. Uh, Let me clear this. Okay, if we check in 1 hour frame, look, this is the level where market create. This was the resistance. This was the good resistance for market, and it break out. During the breakout, it create a flag limit. For that reason, this level will work for us and give us some pips. Okay, it is this is two trade setup for next week. Okay, these two trade setups is more for next week. There is nothing. If it break with momentum candle, this level, it will definitely retest this level in small time frame like 1 minute or 5 minutes. When it break with momentum candle and retest this level with small time frame, we initiate a buy. If it break this level with momentum candles and give us some evidence and retest here, we'll definitely initiate a sell in GbpUsd. All right, let's wraps up our analysis of GbpUsd. Nothing else for GbpUsd for next week, and I will see you in our next video on Monday. Thanks for watching and happy trading. Enjoy your weekends. Bye bye. See you.